Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco X3i headphones, and today I'm going to show you where you can easily find your user manual. We can't really find our user manual in the internet unfortunately, but if you have the box we can just open it. So at first we have to open the box, as you can see, like now, and here is the thing after our headphones, and we have to take that. Here, as you can see, we can take these old papers, and now here we have some cables, but this is not really useful. Here we have safety and warranty, and here we have our user guide. And here, as you can see, we have everything: touch control area, status indication function, button, charging port, everything. All useful information in multiple languages about our headphones. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.